sell 75% less ice cream in December than in June. 20% more ice cream is sold in July than in June. By what percent did ice cream sales increase from December to July? So from December is what we started with. So we're going to have December on the bottom, and then the change is going to go on the top, and we'll figure out what percent that is. So if December is 75% less, we're going to use 25 as our value for December. 100, and then 75 less than 100 gives us 25. June would be that 100. July is 20% more than June. So 20 more than 100 is 120. The change from December to July, the way we would find that is 120 minus 25. So it changed by 95, and it started out as 25. If we cross multiply and divide here, we would do 95 times 100, and then divide it by 25. So it increased by 380% from December to July. So our final answer is 380%.